Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little bit, but I am back with the September Boxy Charm unboxing video. Just want to show you guys what I got. I have not even taken a sneak peek at anything, so here we go. Let's see. So this is September 2019. I'll link all the products in the description box below. And it's Boxy Charm All Access. Here's all the goodies. Eyeshadow, sleep mask, 5-piece brush set, black eyeliner, brow pen, and I will add up all the MSRP values in it when I'm done. This looks like the Eyeshadow Palette. Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette. Wait. Ooh, really pretty colors. Oh my gosh. Cream, sand, terracotta, gold, emerald, pink, dusty rose, plumberry, cinnamon, and black. You could do some pretty good smoky eyes with these. Ooh, I really like this plumberry and the pink, and it has a little mirror too. Comes with a mirror. I might swatch them at the end. Well, actually, I don't know yet. Dr. Brandt Recovery Sleeping Mask. Oh, I thought it was the kind that you wear on your eyes, but I guess not. Hydrates, reduce redness and irritation. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, and it looks like this. Biotic. Apply mask to clean dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse, use nightly. So you just apply it on your face at night and then you leave it on all night, I guess. Well, it smells good through the seal. Then we have Blikity black eyeliner. Oh, Hank and Henry Slick with an H. Blikity black long wear liquid eyeliner. And they're always closed, so I have to peel the tape off. So I'm not going to open this one at the moment, but when I do, I will do a try on with this one. $1 Billion Brows. Oh, this is a brow. This is a brow pencil, brow pen, Microblade of the Effect, Microblade pen, dark, BDB, $1 Billion Brows. Okay, not going to unseal it yet, but I think what I might do is do a collection of some of the different Boxy Charm Box I've gotten over the summer and put something together and do a tutorial. And this one is the Moda Pro 5-piece Deluxe Eye Kit. 100% vegan. So this one, they give you the names. 402 is the smudger, crease, line, shade, and detail. How many are there? There's 5. Shade, color for your lid, crease, define and blend, or use to buff over your entire lid, detail, pointed tip, ideal for applying shadow or highlighting your inner corner, and smudge, applying color on your upper and lower lash lines, chiseled edge, and ideal for filling in brows. This one I'm going to open. It's also sealed, but I'm going to open it. These brushes look kind of cool. They have like this textured edge to them. The smudger brush looks like that. We have the line brush. That's the one with the chiseled tip. It looks like that. We have the crease brush. It looks like more like a fluffy brush. And they all have numbers. This is 430. And I don't know if you can see it, but it has like a texture on it. It's like a little bumpy right here. So I think like a grip to it. And then we have shading brush, which is a little bit flatter. Right there, a little flatter. To pack on the powder. Detail brush, so you can see it. It's more round. needs more rounded tip. And that's the 5 brushes. Just to recap, we have Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette. Looks like this. Then we have Moda Pro 5-piece Deluxe Eye Kit for the brushes. Recovery Sleeping Mask by Dr. Brandt. Longwear Hank & Henry Longwear Liquid Eyeliner and Brow Pen. $1 Billion Brows Brow Pen. And that's it. So those are my 5 things that I got in the September box. The eyeshadow palette's $29. The sleeping mask, Dr. Brandt, is $52 MSRP. 5-piece brush kit is $27.95. The Hank & Henry black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner is $20. And the $1 Billion Brow Pen is $18. And so that's everything that I got this month. And I believe September is when you can upgrade 4 times a year. I think you can get the Boxy Charm Box. So I haven't done that yet. I haven't tried it. So I think the next time you have to do that is in December. Anyway, thanks everybody for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe down below. I will link everything in the description box, and check out my Poshmark closet. I will also link that down below. You can get a $5 off your first purchase with my special code Suzzazzledazzle. So check the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!